Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how do I send 225,000 cold DMs on Twitter. I will show you everything you need to know to actually set this thing all up and how to actually do it pretty cheap, okay? So let's dive straight into it. So what you will need, okay, let's start with how much DMs can you actually send per account, because you can't send 225,000 DMs with one account. You will need 15 accounts to actually do this. But let's start with one account. We will set up campaign and start sending 500 DMs per day on one account, and then I will show you how to do it on all 15 accounts and where to buy those accounts and everything, okay? So let's start with this. We have this tool called xreacher.com, and this enables us to actually automate the DMs, okay? So if we go to one of my profiles, you can see that I have my main profile, and then I have loads of like fake profiles that are actually managed by my main account. But let's go to this one. I will show you how I actually set it up, the account and everything. So let's say we want to start outreach from this account. How do we do it? We will just go to the tool in the user info, just add the profile. You can see I have right now like 15 profiles right here. Once you add it, you will just go to outreach tool, and right here you will just write the title and who you are actually targeting. So if we go to Twitter and let's say that I am targeting agency owners, I will go for example to Alex Hormozy, or anyone who have some large audience. So for example, Alex Hormozy, and we will take his followers, and everyone who is following Alex Hormozy, we can target them. So if you go to add profile, we will just add profile Alex Hormozy, and then we will include bio. And that means that every person who have in bio, let's say right now agency or SMMA or help or anything, any of those keywords you will just add, it will message this person. So if you get it right, okay, it will just scrape all of the followers of Alex Hormozy, so all of his 600,000 followers, and then it will go through each one of them and check whether the person have in bio agency, SMMA or help, and if it have one of those keywords, it will message them. Okay, and that's how we can actually target specific people. So with this, you can target really specific who you actually want. And then let's say we want only people that have more than 50 followers and less than 10,000. So we will just submit this. And right now, what will be actually the message? Let's say also like the title. So we will just go John, because this is the name of this account, and go with Hormozy, that because we are targeting Hormozy. And right now, what's actually the message we want to send them? Let's say right now, just for a test, hey, their first name, and it will actually fill out their first name. So like Twitter actually won't notice that you are botting it, because each one of those messages is personalized. And the second thing is that, yeah, it just looks real. So we will just go right now with hey name, and let's start the campaign. You can start it, you can see that it's started. And right now, if you go back to the account and go to messages, you can see that it should start sending within a minute or 2 minutes. So if we reload it, let's give it a second. It should start sending. Start scraped. Yeah, you can see we have sent the first DM. If you go to the profile, you can actually see that he have help in bio. So for example, like that. So right now, what it will do, each like 2 or 3 minutes, 1, 2 or 3 minutes, it will contact one person, until it actually reaches 500 people. And once you contact 500 people, then it will give it a rest for 14 hours, and then it will start the process again. So you can contact 500 people every single day. Okay, that's how it's basically working. So once that we have the campaign, we can go to the dashboard, check it. We can go to our latest campaigns. If you go to the campaigns, we can just do the campaigns. If we want to terminate the campaign, we can terminate the campaign. We will then see the response rate, and it's just running right now. So right now we are actually sending from one account, and we are actually getting to our prospects and messaging them. So that's how we actually set up 500 DMs per day. And this is like 5,000 DMs per month, okay? But I was actually telling you 225,000. How do we actually do that? So if you want to do 225,000, you can see under DM, you will have to have 15 accounts. So right now I am showing you right here, I have 5, but we are running another 10 on different browsers, but I have right now 15 accounts. Where did I actually get 15 accounts? Because like, who have 15 accounts? So don't try to create new ones, because you might get banned. Just buy old ones. Where we are buying them, Burks account buy. I don't have any affiliate with those guys, but yeah, you can go on Twitter accounts, and I'm buying those Twitter aged accounts. It's like, I don't know, like $3 per account. Super cheap, okay? $3 per account, and then I just buy them, buy their some followers, and actually make them seem real. And that's about it. That's how we actually set it up. So then you will have like 15 accounts that looks like this. We'll just set them up, like get there some bio and everything, and then you can start sending. Actually, also like want to verify it, and then you can see this. We are actually sending, as you can see, 500 DMs on each one of those accounts. So then you have like 5 accounts, each one of them you can see that is sending 500. We have another than 10 that is doing the same thing, and these are the basics. So what you will just do is buy multiple accounts, connect them. Every one of those accounts you will just connect them to Xreacher, just set up the campaign, and it will be running. That's everything. It's super simple. Then you can, if you have another account, you can just select the profile, set the profile, start campaign, and you are sending. And that's how I'm able to send 225,000 DMs per month. And right now I'm buying another like 20 accounts, so it will be like 500,000 DMs per month. As I said, like Twitter right now is just insane with this, because you can send 500 DMs per one account. That's just huge, guys. Okay, I think this is everything for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Instagram, or you can ask me on Twitter. You can just shoot me a DM if you have any questions about the software, on how is it actually working. And see you guys in the next video.